the peacock mantis shrimp possesses one of the most powerful strikes in the animal kingdom. Its claws can move at such incredible speeds that they generate a force strong enough to break the glass walls of aquariums. The astonishing speed of the mantis shrimp strike is due to a complex mechanism involving a spring-like structure in its arm. This powerful strike is used to crack open the hard shells of crabs and other prey, making the peacock mantis shrimp a formidable predator in its underwater habitat.